BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm using this shade right here, this brown shade here. I'm going to mainly focus the eyeshadow on the outer part and the crease, and then whatever is left on the brush, gonna put it on the eyelid. Then going into this pale shade at the top, just gonna blend the top of the eyeshadow. Then I'm just using this Rimmel Scandalized Precision Pen liner just to go a little bit over the top to make it a little bit darker, but I don't like to do too much on my eyes. I just don't really think it looks that good. So I'm gonna go ahead. So this is the final eye look. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.